I'm prepping the intake and engine, getting all clean and dry. I wire wheeled everything I could. Got a bunch of different bits, different sizes, but there's some nooks and crannies that you can't get. So I'm torching it to dry it and get the last bit of fleck off, so the primer adheres to it good. Yeah, I'm gonna flip it. I did the same on the engine block in the engine, wire wheeled. Then all these grooves wouldn't clean. So I carefully brought the torch in here. I got the hose running, just nozzles off for safety, and then just burnt all that oil that was built up in here out of here. There's a bunch of build up here and along the edges. And then I'm running the hose right through it. I got the heater valve open. I'm just running water through it. Bada bing. I gotta figure out something to do with it. It's rust up again, but gasoline block. There's some copper in there, but no brass for the radiator. But yeah, I'm gonna do this backwards and forwards and backwards and forwards and make this clean. Pretty gnarly. I took the heater cord. Manifold is too heavy to carry and place down nicely with the gasket. So I got a buddy to help lifted it up in the wood blocks, and then just use this hand crank jack so it won't drop on me with the hydraulics. And I'm just gonna let it down real slow. I'm gonna feed it into this radiator tube, the water pump, and then just crank it down real slow with this jack and get the gaskets in. I got the intake on, connected everything, full of water, minor leak, fix that, check the oil, put the carb on with the correct 500 CFM jets, 74s, number 74s. Okay, crank. Cranked and went. Second, pulling up the hill, feeling for a lag. Back quarter throttle. I'll whip it and shift, see what happens. Did not hesitate for sure. Okay, I'm gonna go up this hill for a prolonged pull. Second pull. Select quarter. Okay, see if the fuel runs out of the bowl. It's a longer pull. Not adjusting the gas at all. Hit it. Oh, it wants it. Alright, I think my